Time to go take my pictures. Alexa, stop. Hey guys, it's Daut and I'm back with another video. This time is a little different. We in a new setting. May sound a little different. That's because we in a bathroom, y'all. Because I have to take pictures today, and so I was a little inspired to do a makeup tutorial for you guys. So the reason why this is different and why this is not, you know, your average makeup tutorial is because I don't know what I'm doing. I just kind of figure stuff out and it actually turns out really well. Like, I don't wear makeup like that. If you know me, you know. I'll put it on every now and then. I'll put it on to pop out a little bit if I go out. I do pageants. So I definitely do my makeup for pageants, my own makeup for pageants. And they turn out kind of good. And like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I've never, you know, sat down and learned anything or took any class or anything like that. I just kind of figured it out like all of us do, right? So I just want to show y'all what I do. I don't think makeup is all that important. If you wear it, cool. If not, cool. Great. But because I don't think it's that important, I do not spend a whole bunch of money on it. Because to be honest, I'm cute regardless. So why I need to spend all that money to look cute when I'm already there. I'm there. Anyway, so just a little enhancement. I will spend, you know, a little bit of money, but nothing more than like drugstore, like pick it up from Walmart, CVS, something like that. I have a couple like MAC lipsticks that I've had for like forever, but that's it. That's the extent. So without further ado, I'm gonna get into the video and we're gonna make something shake because I'm about to be late. So before I get started, I just wanted to show y'all the extent of my makeup collection, and it's all in this box. I told y'all I don't do any makeup, so it's not, you know, organized in any way at all. It's in this box. This is my makeup kit from Stage Makeup. So we have some like blood and spirit gum in here for like gluing stuff to your face. Yep. And then I have just random makeup stuff. Like it's all, there's no rhyme or reason. There's no rhyme or reason or anything. It's just random makeup stuff. So I start off with a freshly washed face, and then I'll use my rose water to, you know, refresh a little bit. I use a primer. The primer I use is this e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. And I've had it forever. That's why it looks a mess. And it's actually almost gone, which is crazy because now I have to buy more. But, ooh, look at that. It won't even come out, y'all. That's enough, right? Right. I think that's enough. And I just put it on with my hands. And I know that's bad, y'all. I know some people are just like that. Like, you're not supposed to use your hands and you're not supposed to touch your face and all this stuff. I don't got time for that. I don't got time for it. I just do what I know. So the next thing I do is go in with my foundation. And I use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color Cappuccino 340. Which, it's still backwards, but you know, whatever. Then I use this e.l.f. brush. Y'all can't see it, but it says e.l.f. It's just a brush. I don't know what kind of brush it is. I don't know what it's called, but I use it. So that's about it for that. As y'all can see, it's a little bit, it might be a little bit lighter than it should be. I don't know, but it works. Because in person, obviously y'all can only see through the camera, but in person it doesn't look that bad. So we're gonna keep it moving. Sometimes I'll color correct like areas like this or like under here. Yeah, no, I don't like that. But sometimes I color correct if it's a pageant or something, I'm color correcting. But if I'm just going out or like how I just have to take pictures right now, I'm not gonna do all of that because it's just too much. As far as my spots down here, I'm not about to keep trying to cover that up. You know how much makeup it take to cover that up? I'm not doing that. So, you know they're there. They're there on a daily basis now. So, I'm not about to cover them up. Unless it was a pageant, then I would cover it up. So the next thing I usually do is go in with a contour of some sort. I usually use one of these three Black Radiance palettes. And today I think I'm going to use the dark to deep one. This one, it's a powder contour palette and it has really dark shades in it. I usually use this medium one. This medium one to contour first, and then if I feel like it's not dark enough, I'll go down here. And so yeah, let's do that. Okay, so now that my contour is done, I usually go in and like use the medium to dark palette to and then use this middle color. Don't look at the contour, it's gone. But I use this medium color in the middle to kind of blend the contour and I guess the foundation or whatever together. And it usually turns out pretty well. So let's do that. So in the pageant version of my makeup tutorial or process or whatever, I use this Sephora Bright Set stuff and put it like under my eyes and my nose and all that stuff. But I'm not gonna do that just because I don't feel like I need it. We're taking pictures and we're taking pictures outside, so it's not gonna be that deep. If y'all wanna see a full makeup tutorial, thumbs up this video. A full, my foundations. A full like pageant glam, I guess, makeup tutorial that I usually do, then just thumbs up this video and I got y'all, of course. But and if y'all want to know a little bit more about my pageants, let me know in the comments below, because that's the thing, girl. And I'm out here competing and stuff, so we trying to get to Miss America, but that's we're gonna talk about that later. So the next thing I usually do is eye stuff, and here lately I've really been liking this like goldish color in this Wet n Wild palette. This is the Wet n Wild palette. I told y'all, drugstore, pick it up from Walmart, honey. But it's this like goldish kind of color right here. I usually either use the contour, actually the contour that I use to contour my face, to do like my crease in my eyeshadow. But there's a really nice brown in this palette too, this one right here. So I'll probably just use that. And then I'm almost past the point of applying my eyeshadow with my fingers. And I now use this little brush. That's probably not the right kind of brush or whatever, but it's an e.l.f. blending eye brush. I just pack it on there like that. Yeah. And then, ooh, okay. Okay, so my eyeshadow is on, and this is honestly just because I'm about to go take these pictures and I want a little bit of color. Because on a regular day, if I, you know, was going out or something, I literally would have just put the highlight from one of these palettes, probably from the darker palette, and just put it on my eyes and keep it moving. Keep it moving. It's too much to try and do all these colors and stuff. Y'all, I'm so lazy. I don't ever want to do anything. So yeah, cute on the go. Then I go in with a highlighter, and like I said, I just pick one of the ones in these palettes. They all come with a highlighter. Actually, one of them comes with a cream highlighter. Well, the cream contour palette comes with the cream highlighter, and it goes on like boom, like that. So I guess I've made the decision to kind of use it right now. So, but I don't really like to use it on my like cheeks and stuff, because it doesn't really, I could be just doing it wrong. Honey, I don't like that. But I do like to use it on my nose, so I'm just gonna put it there. I'll use the same brush I've been using this whole time, because if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Wait. Yeah, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. That's right. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go with this dark to deep palette and use the highlighter in it. The last thing I do before I set everything is my eyeliner and my mascara. If I'm doing a pageant, I'll put on lashes. Sometimes if I'm going out, I'll put on lashes. Most of the time I just think that's too much, so I don't have on lashes. So I use this liquid liner. I think it's by Black Radiance too, actually. So there's that. But yeah, I just do that. And I literally, y'all, I'm not about to try and even play myself and do this on camera because I'm not good at it. I can only do it if I'm like this close to the mirror. So I'm gonna go do this in the mirror and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like, I guess. Okay, so my liner is now done. I don't be trying to do nothing special because, like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. So I just kind of make something shake. Now, I take this CoverGirl Professional mascara. Okay, so my mascara is now on. I know y'all are like, Dot, you didn't do anything with your caterpillar eyebrows. Yeah, I know. And I know they're caterpillars, but I don't really get them done like that because I like to get my eyebrows threaded and not waxed because wax is just, it makes my skin feel all weird. I don't like it. And threading lasts longer. So I usually get my eyebrows threaded, but there's nowhere here to thread them. So therefore I just don't get them done. Like I said, I'm cute regardless. But that is the extent of my eyebrows. Last but not least, my lips. Put this little Vaseline on there. Like that there. I'll take this MAC little pigment sometimes, and because I like the way it looks, and I'll just kind of dab my finger in it a little bit, knock off the excess, and then kind of put it on my lips a little bit to give them a little something without doing too much. You feel me? When all of this is over, I set it with this e.l.f. makeup mist and set that I randomly got from the store one day, and then I've been playing enough. I'm gonna take my hair down, which it is in a wash and go. I'll show you guys. I did a wash and go last night so that I could take these pictures and still be cute. So this is what I'm gonna look like for my picture. I'm about to go put my clothes on because it's time for me to go, and I'll come back and sign off. BRB. Okay, I'm back and I'm in my little orientation leader shirt to take my picture. That's a little sneak peek for y'all. That's what I'm gonna look like. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, I know this is a little different, but if you like this kind of content, let me know. Thumbs up this video. If you don't like it, honestly dislike this video because I need to know what you guys like because I'm putting content out for y'all. If you guys want to see the full glam version of I don't know what I'm doing makeup tutorial, if y'all want to see that, let me know and I got y'all. But that's all I got for y'all. If y'all stay to the end, you already know bomb.com, period. That's y'all. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you know when the next one is, because you need to know. So go ahead, hit the bell, hit subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye guys.